is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick fun rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, both in the paint, over top of the paint, just whatever we got to do to create more expensive looking paint job effects on a budget. This is all about learning, having fun, and just doing spray outs, which I highly recommend on any project before you take it mainstream if you're creating your own custom colors. That way you don't mess up a big project, waste a bunch of money, and you know, that's never no fun. So we're just always learning together on this channel. Today I've got a really cool one for you today, guys. I've got an awesome new eye candy pearl called Land of the Rising Sun, and I'll be shooting it over top of gloss black, gloss khaki, and apple red rustoleum. So I got a fender prepped up behind me. I'm going to be tritoning it and then hitting it with some Land of the Rising Sun. But I'll be using the Wagner 4300 FLEXIO gun. A lot of you guys have asked me to kind of bring this back, and a lot of people have been asking, can you shoot pearls and flakes and candies and stuff like that through it? And I have done that on past videos with these electric spray guns. Guys, you can shoot everything through them just like you would a traditional HVLP gun that, you know, has the air compressor driving behind it. But, you know, this is all-in-one setup. It runs off of a little vacuum pump system, and it's just an affordable way to get around having to buy an air compressor and filtration and everything else. So we'll be having some fun with that today, and this is kind of unique because it's a gravity fed model. So I'll have links in the description if you want to pick one of these up. But that's the game plan today. We're going to hit it with these three rustoleum colors and then some Land of the Rising Sun by Eye Candy Pigments. Let's get into today's video. Guys, so now we got our rustoleum colors laid down, and it's time for the fun part, the pearls. Land of the Rising Sun by Eye Candy Pigments. Now, this in powder form looks like a very coppery pearl, but it does look like it has some sunrise or sunset effects with like some golds and like pinks and stuff at certain angles. I'll be shooting it in my speedo line clear today, guys. 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator, 4-to-1 clear. I'll be doing 5 ounces total into the mix, and then we'll be shooting it through our Wagner gravity fed FLEXIO gun, guys. So I'm gonna open this up and I'll bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so this is Land of the Rising Sun in powder form before I even pour it in. As you can see at certain angles, it's like coppers to pinks to golds. This is a 1 gram sample bag, and I'm going to put a healthy helping into it pretty much. And let's mix this up really good because I want to get a good effect over these colors. And let's see. Yep, we got purples, we got pinks, we got coppers, we got golds. Got a little bit of everything, guys. Like I said, very much a sunrise or a sunset looking pearl. So what this is going to do over those colors, I don't really know. That's part of the fun and why we do these episodes. But there's only one way to find out. Let's load up the Wagner and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my Wagner gun here today, the gravity fed FLEXIO model. I've got it loaded up with some of this Land of the Rising Sun. We're going to be doing consistent coats over this till we get a good effect. Then we'll take it out of the sun and see what we got. This has a 1.3 tip on it. I've shown you guys in past episodes, especially with the red fender, how to really dial this in. So if you're interested, go back and check that out. But I do have the pressure all the way up on the little module behind me. And yeah, I'm going to hook everything up and let's get to spraying. Guys, so that's the episode for today. We took the Wagner 4300 gravity fed FLEXIO back out for another test drive today, guys. We shot Land of the Rising Sun, a really cool color shift by Eye Candy Pigments over gloss black, gloss khaki, and gloss apple red with various different results. It was a very cool pearl, very much like a purple to oranges to golds, a very sunrise sunset pearl, like I said earlier. Over the black, you got full transparency. Over the khaki, it kind of manipulated the color a little bit. It is a solid pearl, so it did make it look a little bit dirty when the light was off of it, but that's because you're putting a darker pearl over a lighter color, and it's going to happen. The happy medium, I want to say, was the red, though, because of the purple and pink tendencies the pearl had as a solid pearl, it kind of meshed well with the red, and then, of course, at that hard angle, you saw the gold. Very, very cool. I did get a little bit of a weird reaction on the whole fender. I think that's from paint that's underneath it, which is very, very odd. That's something I have to go back, but when you do as many spray outs as me, it's bound to happen eventually, and then that just kind of tells you it's time to either strip the paint down off the fender and start over again all the way back to metal, or get a new fender. And I've been through so many fenders on this channel. A couple of questions I've been asked here recently. Can the Wagner spray pearls and stuff like that? Yes. Can it spray a whole car? Yes. The way it's designed, everybody's worried about the motor getting overheated. It will probably heat up some, but with the way it's designed, it will continue to spray, and it will continue to spray efficiently. I've not had any issues with it doing any projects at all. And I mean, the spray pattern this thing gives is great. As far as overspraying stuff in the air, I've had a lot of people ask about that. It's probably the least amount of overspray I've seen from one of these guns, and be it a compressor driven gun or an electric gun. It doesn't overspray well at all. It atomizes great, and it really manages the paint flow even when you dial it and you turn it up very, very well with a very, very good pattern. That's something I really like about this electric gun. So very user friendly. If you just want to go to the store and get one, I highly recommend it for any kind of beginner painters. It's very easy to use. It doesn't throw out a bunch of paint like some of the other electric guns on the market that some other YouTubers have promoted. And all in all, it just gives you good results. But hey, you know what? It's not up to me, guys. Rate the results for today and the colors you saw, 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you want to spray with the Wagner, I'll have links in the description to where you can pick it up at your local Lowe's, see if they have it in stock. And Land of the Rising Sun, a really cool Eye Candy Pigments pearl. If you want to spray with that, guys, I am an affiliate with Eye Candy. I can get you guys a discount. My links will be below. Just enter WAW Shop while shop at checkout. You'll get a discount. It goes to help out the channel. the Speedo Line Clear, the paint gun, Wagner, the mask, anything I use, guys. If you don't see it in the description, it'll be in my Amazon store, the one that says Ask on YouTube. You click that link, it takes you to my store where you can purchase everything I use on the channel there for the same price I get it. We will get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, like I said, and you get the benefits of Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. You made it this far in the video today. You like these crazy spray outs, the product reviews, a little bit of everything I do on this channel to try to help everybody achieve more expensive looking paint jobs on a budget and just make painting in general a more user-friendly approach. Definitely take a second, hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell beside it to notify you every time a new episode drops, and leave me a quick like and comment. Rate the spray out, rate the product, and just overall let me know what your thoughts are on the channel. I read everybody's comments and I try to like and heart every single one of them, whether I like it or not. And if you have any spray out suggestions, definitely drop them in the comments. I'll get to them as soon as possible. We also have a membership program now that you can join for $10 a month to help support the channel. That gives you early access to videos. It'll give you cool emojis that are really funny. You can throw in the chat when we go live. You'll have an official Whitley Auto Works badge beside your profile. So all kinds of cool things. And I'm working on other stuff behind the scenes that you'll have exclusive access to as members on the channel. I appreciate every single one of you for supporting the channel regardless. Don't feel obligated to do it. It's just one of those things that I put it out there because some of the subscribers were asking for it. And, I appreciate you watching regardless. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.